Okay, today we're going to be working on making aspirin. This is one of those examples of making esters using acetic anhydride and an alcohol function. The alcohol function happens to be on the salicylic acid, which we have about 2 grams of in this Erlenmeyer flask right here. I'll give you the exact numbers a little bit later. To that 2 grams, we're going to be adding 5 milliliters of concentrated sulfuric acid. You don't want to get this stuff on your hands. It will chew up your fingers. That's why I'm wearing gloves. I'm also wearing goggles while I'm working in the laboratory. So we add our 5 milliliters. Notice I don't just dump it in there upside down. I let it go for a little bit and get the thing to grip, and I tap it on the side to get the last little grip. So we actually add in there about 5 milliliters. To that, we're going to add 5 drops of sulfuric acid. Then we'll mix the materials, make sure that all of the salicylic acid dissolves. We loosely cap it, just so we don't have the stuff all boiling out of the thing. We can swirl this until we get everything to dissolve. This may take a little bit. Get that acid sometimes to work. It's starting to dissolve. You got it done just yet. Let it sit here for just a little bit. Now that's almost all dissolved. Put the cap on loosely. It's still loose so you can pick it up. I'm going to put this into the boiling water bath for 10 minutes. Let it float. Occasionally I'm going to turn it around to make sure the stuff on the walls gets dissolved. Turning on my timer now. After the 10 minutes, we'll take this out. Okay, after 10 minutes, we're going to take this out of the hot water bath, set it down on a piece of paper towel to cool to room temperature. That's going to take a little while. So what I wanted you to see, first, before we put that on the paper to cool down, that now all that liquid is dissolved. Now that solid has dissolved. It's not a clear solution. Nice clear solution. Let it sit and cool for a while. Let's make the crystals form for the aspirin. Take a look at it in a moment. Okay, we've taken it out of the hot water bath, let it cool down for a little bit, the room temperature, and then we stuck it in the ice water bath, which is what you see right here. You take it out and you see the new crystals that form, kind of all over the bottom. We're now going to filter them through this filter paper that's going to be on the funnel. This is the funnel. This is the evaporation flask. Suction flask, really. Turn the vacuum on. A piece of paper. That's a good suction already. This is a piece of filter paper. You sit it in there squarely on top, turn the vacuum on. Put a little bit of ice cold water. We can have the water in the ice bath for a while so it gets nice and chilly for us. Wait it just a little bit to get the suction to the well. I'm going to take this and transfer this out with little bits of cold water. Try to pour it right in the middle of the funnel paper, the filter paper in the funnel, so you don't get it all around the sides. It doesn't escape out the side of the funnel. I know it says to use so many milliliters, but we're in a hurry right now to do this, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do it with a little swirl and flush. One more time, and we should be done. Okay, we're gonna let that stuff sit there on the filter paper for a while and dry with the vacuum on. We'll come back a little bit later and then tell you about how much we actually recovered. We'll also do the test for purity, but we're doing that offline. We won't worry about it on the video for right now.